So I normally don't do tool reviews, but this little guy right here I've had for years, and it's made by Gearwrench. The cool thing about this tool is you can pop this adapter in it. This is why I love this tool. And then now you've got a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. It actually has a toggle on it to change directions. It comes with the 9/16 1/4 inch drive. Normally they'll stop at 1/2 inch. This one goes from 5/16 to 9/16, but you could use this with any 1/4 inch drive socket that you have in your arsenal. And then metric is 8 to 14. The other side of this has a 1/4 inch for putting Torx bits and Phillips. And it becomes a ratchet. Also has a toggle. This makes it particularly good for getting into areas like this here. So yeah, Gearwrench kit come with a whole bunch of bits. Comes with the T50 down to a T25, but you could put anything you wanted inside this. If I went over to my toolbox and pulled out one of my Torx bits or Allen bits, it'll fit right in there. I picked this one up a few years ago on Amazon, and it is made by Gearwrench. So yeah, it's a Gearwrench 35-piece set. 85035 is the part number. I paid $15.99 for this about 4 years ago, and right now it's up to, I think, 24 bucks. So yeah, yay inflation. It's still worth it though. Still worth 24 bucks in my opinion. Because you can have this, and you throw it in your 1/4 inch drive drawer, and I would say 9 out of 10 times I just grab this kit to tear apart a whole bunch of shit on stuff like this when I'm doing body work.